am about to try out K-pop dancing for the very first time. If you are new here, hello, my name is Christianne and welcome to my channel Backpacking Bananas. I have been in South Korea for the past 2 weeks and I've been in Seoul for the past day or two. And unfortunately, I'm not in Seoul for a whole long amount of time, but the possibly biggest thing that I had on my bucket list before leaving was I really wanted to try out K-pop dancing. Now, to give you a little bit of context of my dance background, I'm not a dancer, I've never been a dancer. I am a former gymnast, so I can move my body in some fun ways and I enjoy moving my body in some fun ways. But I just have a really keen interest and fascination with dances from around the world. I did a 2-week intense salsa course when I was in Colombia, and I just really think it's a great way to get integrated into the culture of a country. And so being in Korea, I was just super keen to do a K-pop dance class because that is their style of dancing. Now I was thinking to myself, like, how can I possibly try K-pop dancing without having ever done it before? My friend told me to look on Airbnb Experiences, and that's exactly what I did. And I found this, what looks like it's going to be a beginner's class in the area of Gangnam, so just south of the river. I just got public transport here. I actually just did a big hike this morning, so I hope my legs are going to be okay. But I already told them that. They seem really, really nice people. It's at a business called Y & Company, and I believe I'm going to be coming away with a little professional video of the experience as well. So I'll film what I can in class and I will show you how it goes. Okay, apparently it's a hard choreography today.
Today's song is BTS Not Today. It's a hard song, but we will try to do it slow. Don't worry if you have mistakes. It's okay, it's normal. We are here to learn new things. So let's start first with the stretching.
When the music starts, it gets so much faster. I thought I was doing well until then, and then the music's not even on full speed yet, so apparently the second half is easier. It's very fun though. It's not like ridiculously hard moves. I think it's just the way in which they all sequence together. My brain is just going trying to like compute hand-eye coordination. shooting us, they're going to shoot us a little bit slower because we can't keep up with the actual beat, but then the final product will be sped up, so it'll look like we're fast. That was a lot of fun. I am very sweaty now. It's so nice to just do something different in the city, you know? It's not every day that you get to take a local dance class. Our teacher was really, really good. I would highly recommend them. That's YN Company, but I booked on Airbnb. It costs £33 for the class, including whatever the videographer sends over. I'm so nervous to see that with my solo. I don't think I ever did the whole dance completely nailed absolutely perfectly, but everything was perfect at different times. The song was so freaking fast. Oh my goodness. But I really enjoyed it. I wonder if you can see like panic in my face in the video, because I certainly felt a bit of panic, like as my brain was just chicking trying to get all the moves correct. As you can see, I'm now back in my very messy hostel dorm bed. So the other people in the class, it was a mother and daughter from Brazil. They were super, super sweet. The daughter is basically obsessed with BTS, so they've come specifically to Korea for a BTS themed holiday for her, which I just think is the sweetest thing, and so that's why they were there in the K-pop class. I just look back at a couple of the videos, and do you know what's making me laugh the most is when, like, after we finished the choreography, we had to do like a little bit of freestyle, and I danced like such a mum. Oh, I mean, this is what I look like on the dance floor in clubs also. I mean, I need to work on that. How do you even work on that? How do you work on your freestyle? That's just what comes naturally, and unfortunately, oh dear. Oh, I'm not proud of that. I think I'm better at the choreographed things. I'm good at copying, not good at coming up with it myself. This is the wonderful view from the hostel lounge. No one else is in here right now. How good is that? I'm staying at Hostel Peru. I'll talk more about this hostel in another vlog though. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed coming to K-pop dance class with me. I thoroughly enjoyed myself, and I would highly recommend that experience for anyone who's also wanting to try out something new whilst they are in Korea. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video, which will be something in Seoul. I'm not entirely sure yet, but I will see you then. Bye bye.